Welcome back. So Harbor Freight has officially, but just not officially on the website yet, released their weekend sale, and it's actually early access for ITC club members, which of course they're trying to get people to sign up for ITC Inside Track Club. So the way it reads, it's get early access ITC if you join up January 16th in store only. They're saying it's to stock up and save $10 off, $50 or more if you spend $50 or more, or if you spend $100 or more, you get $25 off. So essentially, the closer you get to $100, it's essentially a 25% off deal. So that 25% is excellent. That's like the 25% coupon. Obviously, of course, you can save on any price, but at least up to $100, you're getting 25% off. So if you can get it to that $100.01, you're maximizing your savings. So it starts the 16th for ITC members, and then it goes on through the weekend. And actually, it's 4 days outside of the 16th. So the 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. They're not saying specifically here, but Monday for, I think, is it for everybody? For most, well, the holiday on Monday, MLK Day. So it goes through Monday, which when most of these sales end on Sunday. So you'll have 4 days. I'm pretty sure you can plan it out to where you'll have potentially 5 days of going in and getting, just spend as close as you can to $100, get your $25 off, go in the next day. Obviously, that's a lot of money. I mean, don't go and spend $500 for the weekend unless you're planning on building up maybe your trailer accessories that you just got, or you're looking to fill your toolbox. This would be the time to do it. We can definitely look to see at least some of the new tools that Harbor Freight has. This Hercules brushless cordless variable speed jigsaw, $79.99. Central Machinery 12-inch shop press brake attachment. Well, that's $159, so $160. So you'll get $25 off of that, which is still not too bad. That's almost 20%. But the closer you get to $100, you can combine this Hercules with this Icon Lumen 800 lumen LED, and what is that, $120? So you'll get $25 off of that. It's all about combining the right things. We can go ahead and, well, let's look at these. The Bauer 20-volt brushless cordless shape, L shape, 1 1/8 inch, $129.99. This Quinn 3/4 inch drive, well, $219. You're not getting the biggest for your buck here. This Icon, this is a new tool, Icon 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive professional deep e-Torx socket 13-piece. Pittsburgh 3/8 SAE and metric spark plug socket set. We have these new Pittsburgh Z Creepers, 2-in-1 mechanic seat and creeper, $50. Definitely don't get, I mean, you could get it. Bauer for $500, this 1 horsepower stationary cutting bandsaw, because you'll only get $25 off of that. Wow, I didn't realize they had so many. The new Hallmaster, $1,000. Probably not the best thing to use it on, but look at this Hallmaster accessory. All of these are about $100. Hallmaster 2,000-pound capacity, 14-inch by 46-inch, 46.5-inch steel trailer ramps for $99.99. You just need to add a pencil, or it was add a pencil, I forget what the clever things everybody else bought. Buy a pencil, maybe buy some scissors. It was someone even said they bought a bag for 5 cents, and they were able to qualify for the free tool a couple weekends ago for their deal. The Hallmaster Custom Modular 5-foot by 10-foot utility trailer ramp holder set, $99.99. Perfect. You could go on Thursday, tomorrow, get the ramps. You could go in Friday, get the trailer ramp holder set. You can, well, this is only $20, but custom modular 5-foot by 10-foot utility trailer, $20. This Doyle steel hammer. Wow, they have quite a bit of new tools. Maybe I'm just behind on the drop. These Icon technician sets that are always not available have been unavailable for the last 3 to 4 weeks. However long they've been out, they've been unavailable almost as immediately as they came out. Let's take a moment to see what items are closest to $100. And let's look at our most popular brands here. Let's just go. Let's do Pittsburgh, Hercules. Oh, wow. Bauer. We already looked at some Hallmaster. Let's look at Icon, of course. US General, of course. Let's keep it at that. And let's sort by price high to low, and then we're gonna find everything that's about $99. Let's skip all of these. Yep, definitely. Maybe I should have gone the other way. And I can't say if it stacks or not. It's not a sale, so there wouldn't be technically anything to stack onto. They have deals going on, and you're still spending over $100. But the fine print is where that comes in handy. So don't quote me on that. This is not too bad. The US General 30-inch one drawer service cart. It's 89 bucks with ITC membership. If you can get this and then spend $10 and get $25 off, you'll get this plus whatever $10 piece that you're looking at for $75. So you can get this service cart plus a $10 tool for 75 bucks. And that kind of goes the same for any of these. We're in the range where it kind of makes sense. These Icon Professional Stubby 129, you save 25 bucks, not too bad. Let's see. Let's get down to the exactly 100 bucks and see what we can combine it with. This Hercules Universal Portable Bandsaw bench stand, 119 normally, but with ITZ it's 84 bucks. So add $15 tool, get $25 off, potentially get it for 75 bucks. Again, I haven't read the fine print, but it does read almost as if, as long as you spend $100 or more, at least the ones that I've seen in the past, the way those read. But if somebody knows, please let me know in the comments. This Icon 3/8 inch 20 to 100 foot professional click torque wrench, 109 bucks, so $25 off, not too bad. Keep going. Now here we go. Professional work center light, it's 99 bucks. Hercules angle grinder, Hercules compact trim router, this very expensive pry bar, which is 85 bucks for ITC members. So you can add a $15 tool and then get $25 off. The 1,000-pound capacity engine stand, the Bauer cordless, and I know there's deals for the batteries going on right now, so maybe you can combine those. The split beam torque wrench, which was really popular during the torque wrench sale, but 25 bucks off is not too bad. Icon's 3/4 inch drive professional 36-inch breaker bar, polisher sander, reciprocating saw, handheld electrician drain cleaner, all $99.99. This one, the Icon 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 48 piece. You get $25 off of this. Just add the pencil, or in person add the bag, and you'll just get $25 off, 25% off. Bauer self-leveling 360 horizontal cross line laser for 75 bucks. And there's so many things that are 75 bucks. Instant savings. This 10 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw from Bauer, the 30,000 to 60,000 BTU forced air propane portable heater, 99 bucks, or just a couple pennies off being $100 or more. And you know what? I'll leave it at that. Plenty of options to match and combine. Let me know what you're going to combine over the next 5 days with your deals. Happy shopping. Happy weekend savings at Harbor Freight. Be careful. Don't spend too much. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.